2 years ago, it was just an idea. A handful of people sitting around a table asking a question that felt nearly impossible. What if we could bring Muslim communities together to champion the health of moms and babies with the same passion as the other causes close to their faith? This would not just be a campaign, but a movement, the world's first Zakat-approved collective. And what did the Muslim community give last Ramadan? $21 million in just 1 month. Every dollar matched with life-saving care sent to mothers in the hardest to reach places. And the impact, it exceeded even our wildest expectations. In just 6 months, across 14 countries, our partners delivered. By working collectively, you trained 392 health workers in Malawi, Gaza, Yemen, Kenya, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. Provided over 10,000 mothers with antenatal and postnatal services across the globe. Deployed at least 11 portable ultrasounds in humanitarian areas. Provided nearly 11,000 mothers with nutrition services. And constructed, upgraded, or equipped 33 health facilities worldwide. The result was that over 500,000 moms and babies received life-saving health services. So what's next? Our partners are working together so that the most effective medicines and interventions reach mothers even in the most challenging contexts. In Sudan, partners are coordinating emergency obstetric care. In Mali, Gaza, and Lebanon, organizations have started to work together to deliver the most effective solutions such as portable ultrasound and the postpartum hemorrhage bundle to mothers. But we're not stopping there. In Nigeria and Pakistan, organizations are coming together to build country-led coalitions, showing the power of Islamic giving by engaging their communities and diaspora. We've now set the bar high, so we need to be able to reach even more mothers and newborns. So next Ramadan, we're going to break every record we've set. And we can't do it without you showing up with the same heart and commitment that you've already brought to this movement. What began as an idea has now become a global conversation, and that conversation has led to even more solidarity amongst Muslims worldwide. And that solidarity is now a movement beyond borders, uniting millions around the belief that every pregnancy should be safe.